We're here today at the 𝐜𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐬𝐭 National Park. I know I said all that wrong. You may remember from a video or two ago, we were at the Wat Suthop, Doi Suthop. Beautiful temple up there. But today we're here to see something a little different. Now this is the same mountain. This place is huge. The mountain is, I mean, it took us like 2 hours to get to the other place and only 35 minutes to get here. But we're here today to see the MaeSa Waterfall. Apparently there are 10 levels of waterfalls, and hopefully there's enough water to see them, because it's been has not rained much, which is very surprising because we are very close to rainy season here in Thailand, and we've only seen rain maybe once for a short period of time. Okay, so it looks like what we got here is a series of viewpoints, and this will be viewpoint Cascade 3. Oh yes, I can see it from here. You can probably hear it. I bet you can. I'm gonna pull the camera out for a wide view, then we'll zoom in. This is a very, very beautiful area, this national park. Thailand is really good at this kind of stuff. Their government just, well, there's like no end to the money. The king loves this stuff, and he'll just spend whatever. And they just do such absolutely beautiful jobs. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you really close in at the top, and we'll come down. And this camera can zoom pretty good. And this is the first of the cascade. Apparently there are 10 levels, what the sign said. And we're going to zoom out a little bit. We're getting a little shaky there. There we go. Right down to that pool. And then we come down again and continue.